What is up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up an LLC and get started today. Opening up your LLC and getting started is really easy. A lot of people get a little bit intimidated when it comes to not knowing what the whole process is. But I promise you, after you watch this video, you're going to learn exactly how to do it really fast and easy. And it's going to take you like 7 minutes at most. It's going to be really fast, this video, and straight to the point. So with opening up your LLC, you're going to need two things to be official. Let's break it down real easy for you guys. You're going to need to get your LLC done and something that's called an EIN number for your LLC. So it's EIN, Employee Identification Number. So what the EIN is essentially like the social security of the business. When like you go to the bank or you're opening up a business credit card or a business bank account, they're going to ask you, what is your EIN number? So you always want to have that in handy. I like to get the LLC and the EIN number. Once I get that EIN number, it's just like I believe it's like a 9-digit number. And you want to keep that like on your phone or, on your computer, laptop. Just a very little number that you want to keep in hand just in case you open up a business bank account. Business credit card, they're always going to ask for that number, not the LLC name. They're going to actually ask for both, but you always want to keep that EIN number in handy. So that's the two things we're going to do today. And if you want to get your LLC done and do not procrastinate, follow along with the whole video. Let's get it done today. It's going to just take 5 minutes. If you want to follow along, link is in the description down below. Just click that link and you can just follow along with this whole video. I'll also have it in the pinned comments so that way you can just click it, follow along with this whole video, and get your LLC filed in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. So once you click that link in the description, it's going to take you to Tailor Brands. It's what I personally use to do all of my LLCs. Personally, what I do is I sell full-time online. I sell on Amazon and I make a full-time living with it. Been growing my business year after year. It's one of the best fulfilling things because, I work with my own hours, and the more I work, the more income I can earn. There's potential when it comes to working for yourself. So that's what I really love about it. So you're going to choose your state that you currently live in. For me, I live in Florida, so I'm going to click Florida. Just put in, you want to create an LLC in the state that you live in. It just makes life so much easier and simpler. Let's say if you're later down the line, you're a multi-million-dollar company, then you can tell your CPA, and your CPA can do some real cool stuff when it comes to like different LLCs in different states. But for the most part, 99% of the people would file their LLC in the state that they live in. So I live in Florida, so I'm gonna file the LLC in Florida. Okay. All right. Now, you want a business name already in mind. For me, I'm just gonna put something like, let's say I want to make Midtown Power Seller as my LLC that I want to create. I'm going to try this, see if it's available, and boom, showing that it is available. One step closer to getting our LLC. Now what Tailor Brands is going to ask you is a bunch of like general questions. You can't get any of these questions wrong. It's really simple, just like almost like a survey type of thing. So what stage is your business currently in? I'm taking the first few steps. And like I said, you don't really have to overthink this too much. It's really simple. It's just a survey. So when are you planning on launching your business? In a few weeks? What industry are you in? So you can just click e-commerce here, which is what I'm in. And there's a ton of categories. What do I offer? Physical goods. Are you planning on hiring employees in the upcoming years? For me, no, because I just work for myself. If you're not sure, you can click this and all that other option. Okay, annual income for your business goal. I'm going to say I really hope it's more than 80,000, or I don't know yet, or less. I'm just going to say I don't really know yet, to be honest. Okay, now you're going to put your zip code here. And is your business online, storefront, or on the go? Mine is strictly online. So click next here. And what are we going to do today? The LLC and that EIN number. So you want these two to get selected because that's what's going to make us official today. All right, now what do you already have for your business? I don't have any of this, so I'm just gonna skip it. And how did you discover Tailor Brands? If you're watching this video, just click YouTube, right? And do you want to join a free 12-week coaching program? Honestly, I kind of have too much on my plate going on right now, so I can't, but this is a cool opportunity to check out. It's free. If you want to learn more about business, you can check that out. For me, I just want to get my LLC today and my EIN number, so I'm just going to pass on this. And now you're just going to put your personal contact info. So I'm going to put, let me see, some stuff here real quick. Okay. All right, password. And now we are going next. After you type in this contact info. And we're almost done with the LLC. I told you this is going to be really fast. So, like I mentioned, two things. EIN number. Tailor Brands can get the EIN number for you, which is amazing. Like, they can do pretty much everything for you, make it easy. That way you don't have any headaches. And like I said, it is a 9-digit number that you get from the IRS. So Tailor Brands can do it for you. It's an extra fee of $99, or you can do it yourself. And it's a pretty simple process. You get it on the irs.gov website. After you get your LLC, you would just type in apply for EIN number. You have to do it Monday through Friday because for some reason, I don't know why, the website doesn't work on Saturdays or Sundays. Super strange because it is a website. Nobody's really working, but yeah, that's the government for you. So, yeah, I'm just going to have Tailor Brands do it for me. It's really fast and easy, simple. So have Tailor Brands do it for me. Click next here. And then Tailor Brands also is able to renew your LLC for you every year. So let's say you might forget. For me personally, I always renew it myself because they do charge a fee to renew it for you. But you know, you have a couple of months to renew it, about like 4 months for Florida. I don't know about other states, but they do give you like a window to renew it every year. So I like to handle it myself and to save money. But if you think you're gonna forget, you can always check that out. We're gonna click next here. And do you want a branding toolkit? So what this is, Tailor Brands offers you, like if you want to create an online store, logo, things like that, a website domain name. Personally, I like to do that all myself. If you're new to, you know, branding and toolkits, stuff like that, I've never tried it out, to be honest. It might be a good thing to do, but I also have like freelancers that do all that stuff for me. So I'm going to pass on this, but you know, it's kind of cool to check out. It might be a little bit extra as well, so it all depends on your pricing and stuff like that. So I'm going to skip on that. This is something that I highly recommend, expedited filing. So you can get your LLC done in 2 business days, or you could wait 2 weeks, 14 days. Personally, when I like to do my LLC, I like to just go. It all depends on your situation, right? So let's say if you have a lot on your plate, 2 weeks might be fine for you, right? It might not even be a problem. But for me, let's say I'm really ambitious, I'm really ready, I want to get my credit card so I can start doing some business expenses and then have my business bank account and just be completely official, I'd probably go with the expedited filing. So that's what I'm going to do for this example, expedited filing for 2 business days. Really, really recommend it. Now let's talk about an operating agreement. What is this? You see, I'm going through this really fast and transparent. Like, there's other videos on there that make it really complicated. I don't know why. So example, operating agreement. People make this complicated, but what it simply is like, you only need this if you have multiple partners in the LLC. And what this is like who's operating what in the business and who's accountable for what in the business. So for me, I never actually have an operating agreement because it's only me in the business. And usually it's a very small business. But let's say if you have a lot of business partners, then you might want to get an operating agreement. Pretty much who's accountable for what. And so there's no misunderstandings in the business, if that makes sense to you. Most people don't need an operating agreement because you're doing a very small business. But let's say if you have a lot of partners and you're doing a huge business, you might want to do this. It's pretty good to do so everybody's accountable for what in the business. And you can always do this yourself too. You don't need Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands does make it very easy for you. And you can also use AI, but I highly recommend you to use Tailor Brands. if you're wanting an operating agreement. But for me, I don't need it because I work for myself and it's a very small business. So I'll figure it out myself, which I really don't need one. Okay, and do you need a formation kit? We don't need this. Click next. Okay, and do you want to get notified by Tailor Brands for all like the LLC status, compliance, things like that? Yes, I do. Okay, now we're gonna click next here. Now it's gonna show you a bunch of plans, right? So if you were following along with this video, I want to show you something really, really cool here. So we're gonna see other options here. And you can see that it's the light, essential, and elite. And I'm here trying to help you guys save as much money as possible. I want you guys to be super successful when it comes to opening up your business. So you have three options here. You have the light, the essential, and the elite. I recommend either the light or the essential, but because the essential offers the LLC in 2 business days. But what's really cool about this whole thing is I'm going to show you with what we followed along in this video. If you click the light here, right, we did the add-ons. So it's actually going to be cheaper for you in the long run, right? So you get the expedited filing, you get the LLC done in 2 business days. So that's $49. And this is invoice and bookkeeping. You get it for free the first month, but the second month you have to pay $30. So it all depends on you if you want to get the invoicing or bookkeeping. It all depends on your situation. For me, I'm just going to pass on this. And then you want to get your EIN number. This is essential when it comes to opening up, like I said, your business bank account and your business credit card. So these 2 I highly recommend you to do. And what the total today is only $179. It might vary for different states. So you can see here, the state of Florida charges $130 no matter what state filing fee. Each state has a different state filing fee. So like Texas, for example, is around $300. Florida is $130. I think California is $75. Every state is different pricing and different requirements. But they're pretty much all the same thing, just different pricing. And yeah, everybody has different pricing, and this is something that you have to renew every year for your LLC. EIN number is just a one-time payment. You just get the number once and it just stays. You don't have to pay that every year. And the expedited filing, like I said, is only one time. So the only thing you have to renew every year is the state filing fee. That's about it. So after that, we're going to click continue to payment, pay with your card, boom. And you are that's pretty much it. And once you put your card info, what's going to be asked is who's going to be on the business. So you're going to put yourself and the address of the business. For example, for me, when selling online, I always use my home address for all of my businesses. Never have a problem for online businesses or like on the go businesses. You can always use your home address. And who's going to be the registered agent is going to be yourself. Pretty much who's the registered agent means who's going to be receiving the mail for the business, which is always myself. And let's say if you have a storefront, you'll use that address as the business address. But it's pretty simple, straightforward, and straight to the point. If you have any questions regarding any of this stuff, feel free to comment down below. I'll try my best to answer it the same day, so it's really easy and you can get your LLC done. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. If you want any videos that you want me to do, maybe how to sell on Amazon, I can make that for you. I also make videos about stock market. I invest a lot in the stock market. I sell full-time on Amazon. I teach people how to open up their LLC. What else do I do? How to buy a business, online business, how to sell your online business. This channel is going to be all about that. So if you like that stuff, hit that subscribe button or even like this video. It really helps me out. Really, really tells YouTube that, you know, I'm doing something here. Commenting down below also really helps out. Peace out, guys. Hopefully this video is helpful. Do not procrastinate. Use that link in the description down below and see you guys on the next one. Peace.